How's it going? May I have your name and badge number, please, sir?
You know how to read?
You know how to be respectful to the public? What's going on, guys? Auditing America. We're at the United States Post Office in Winter Garden. This is a follow-up audit. They called the police last time we were here. Police showed up. They respected our rights. Let's see what we got going on today. I'm sorry.
My full address here. My address here.
What are you doing?
I'm just working on a video. Is it not allowed?
No, this is a government facility.
I know, it's the post office.
Yeah, exactly. You're not supposed to do all that. Or posting or any of that. Because you're dealing with government, it's a federal building. It's federal is what it is. So you can look up federal, it's different from city.
Could you state the law so I could double check?
The supervisor's in it, postmaster, go speak to the postmaster.
Awesome, is it that way?
And police station's right next door.
Is that where the postmaster's at?
The main office, and we're on 50. Behind 7-Eleven.
Okay, awesome, thanks. Well, it's confusing because I just read the rules on the wall and it says for news purposes, we're allowed to video record here.
Where do you work at?
No.
Auto answer questions.
Badges, none of that. You're not a TV station.
Oh, really?
Hey, hang up, we're gonna get the police to come up.
Oh, the police. Do your friends know you call the police on people?
Yeah.
You're proud of that?
Okay.
We have the right to be
You're
here.
already here, I know.
Oh, and did you know what happened last time I was here?
See? You're not funny.
You know what happened last time I was here? Your coworker ended up getting educated on our rights. I'm not stopping you from working.
He's filming for some reason.
Oh, okay.
No, it's not good.
Oh, it's not good that I'm filming. Okay. You see, you're creating drama amongst the customers. We have the First Amendment.
Trying to do.
No, actually, I've been more than respectful and courteous. We have the First Amendment here. A true American will stand by our side.
There's a credit card machine here.
And I'm not getting any of that.
You're standing right there. We're
I'm
in
not
front of it.
I'm not getting any of
You're
that.
in front of it.
You're stopping me from working, ma'am. Do your own job. I'm not getting any information from that.
Be polite, please.
I'm being extremely polite. I would never disrespect you guys.
It's very heavy.
But you see, the rules are on the wall. It says for news purposes, we can record here. So you see, we have the First Amendment. It includes freedom of the press, freedom of speech. As long as you're not breaking the law or being disorderly, you're allowed to be in a public place.
Not proving any kind of a point.
Oh, actually, I did. 120,000 people saw it last time when I was here. And that's a lot, okay?
Being rude to the person that was.
No, I was being extremely courteous and professional, actually.
He told
You're,
you the same thing.
yeah, and what happened when the police showed up? He got
I
educated.
saw the cop a week later. He told me about it, and he told me about our rights. They're different from the city.
You don't have, you have the same rights. We all have the same rights. You don't have, you see, you have a camera up there,
Yeah,
right?
you're disrupting. I'm trying
You
to do my
are.
job, and you're standing there running your mouth.
Because we have the First Amendment. It's called freedom of speech. If you don't like it, you can go to Nazi Germany back in time. There you go.
That has nothing to do with you. You can go back.
Yeah,
You should go back.
no, you are. You're the one working for the government telling me what to do.
Stamps? More too.
We all are,
So,
everybody.
it's like whatever.
Well, we're welcome to America, the land of the free. Okay? As long as you're not breaking the law, you're welcome to protest. Thousands died for our freedoms, ma'am. Did you know that? I know you probably don't care, but you see what I'm saying? Shout out to the United States Army. Shout out to the United States Navy, the Marines, the Space Force, the Coast Guard, true heroes standing up for the Constitution.
Want me to help her with it on that?
Monday?
It's pretty heavy.
Monday. Should be there Monday.
Okay, and this is
Well, we're tracking
Good. I was here a couple weeks ago.
Hey, you're good to go, man.
Everything good?
Yeah, everything's good. The only thing I will say, just make sure you don't record people's credit card information, and you're good to go, man.
I would never. Thank you, officer. What's your name again?
Officer Sosowski.
Thank you. You're very nice.
Yeah,
Take
man.
care. Take care. I told you they're my friends. I told you.
He's coming in to apologize.
They told me the cops just arrived. They said, you're good. Don't listen to the crazy lady. Look, they're leaving. Bye.
Thank you for,
Bye. Hey, that's hey.
thank you
Pretty
for
much,
your
right?
help. I appreciate your help. Steve, would you grab
Yeah, they showed up.
Thank
They're
you.
not gonna do
Appreciate
anything
your
about
help
it.
Very much.
But you're lying, it's not anything about the lady, she was the nice person.
Actually, I'm talking about you. I'm talking about you're the crazy one, not the customer. It must suck for somebody to call the police on somebody and have the police ignore them.
Very kind of you.
Thank you so much.
You guys are wrong twice in a row.
Someone to just start something with us so you can
Oh, well, I thought you wanted me in a cage, right?
post up, yes. I know, right? That's very.
Well, I hope you know that at least thousands are gonna watch this. So, what's your name, ma'am? Oh, now you're not giving your name. Oh, because it's part of your policy. That's why you're wearing a name tag.
You're not my customer.
Oh, I'm not your. No, I'm actually your boss. Because you work for the federal government. This doesn't finance itself. Okay?
You're not my boss.
Yes, we are.
No, you're not.
I could get you fired.
No, go ahead, try.
I could get you fired.
Go ahead, try.
Oh, well, oh, look, where's the cops, bro? It didn't work out for you. It didn't work out. It's okay. It's all right. You see, you guys wanted me in a cage.
Did you want 6 months?
That's the walk of shame for you, bro.
Record that stuff.
Oh, man. You ever heard the term gone postal? That's you. That's you. You're like a male Karen. You know what a Karen is? You know the lady that calls the cops on somebody for not breaking the law? Well, you're a Darren. Oh man, you must feel terrible after calling the police on Auditing America with over 135 million combined views on the internet, sir.
Cool.
It's gonna be really hard.
Bro, but here.
Yeah.
Being civil.
Oh, be civil.
No, bro. 'Cause I don't-
Now you wanna
I
be
don't
civil?
think
I thought you wanted me in a
I'm trying to
cage.
talk man to man. We're not working.
Okay?
But are you trying to agitate people?
I'm trying to educate people. You see? I didn't come here.
But I don't understand. What do you want us to know?
Well, I came here a couple weeks ago, right? And there was a different guy up
Well,
front.
he's different.
Well, he's acting the same way as you guys.
No, he's not like we are.
Well, you're calling the cops too.
The way he describes you was not like this.
Well, did you see the video?
He said you were. Where's the video?
That I was what?
I don't see the video. How would I see your video?
Auditing America. It's got 100,000 views already on it. I was extremely respectful, just like now.
Well, I got you. But what is the point?
The point is bringing awareness on the First Amendment. A lot of people died for our rights.
I got you. I'm
Freedom
with
of
you
the
on
press.
that. I'm with you on
So,
that.
okay, good. So we can't go into private property.
Right.
So we go into places that we are legally allowed,
Right.
like the
Yeah.
post office, the city hall, government offices. And every time I go to a post office, bro, we have a problem. You know what I'm saying? And this is throughout the whole
Well,
country.
here's the thing.
You guys have cameras all over?
We're super stressed. It's not you. It's not us.
Okay, I understand.
It's high stress, man. We're super short-handed. We're feeling it. We're feeling the government crunch, man.
I got you, bro. Listen,
And I apologize if we came off that.
I apologize if we went.
It's just all saying we haven't.
There you
the
go.
way you were described before is not like the way you want to know.
Yeah.
And I respect that.
No, and I respect you for.
That's my wife. We work together, we're married together, so I get
Okay.
along. And I apologize.
All right, brother. I'm gonna go ahead and get going. I respect you a lot
Absolutely.
for apologizing. I apologize if
I got you on the First Amendment. I'm with you.
All right, brother.
I'm with you.
Take care, my
Yes, I
friend.
do.
Take care.
Anytime you want to come back, you're fine.
Awesome, brother.
All right?
Take care.
Thank you, dude. I appreciate it.
All right, you too. How's it going? May I have your name and batch number, please, sir? May I have your name and batch number, please?
Why you need my name and badge?
I'd just like to know who I'm speaking with.
Okay, right there. That's my name.
What's your name?
Right there. Can you see it?
You have business card?
Nope.
So what's your name? I'm sorry?
Right there.
I
You
mean,
know how to read?
you know how to be respectful to the public? Okay.
When you come to my police station and ask you for my name and badge.
Well,
So
this is
I'm telling
actually, sir, our police station. This belongs to the city.
Mhm.
Okay, you didn't buy this. May I have your name? May I have your name?
Officer Little.
Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate that. That's very nice of you. Quick question: is this the public parking lot for the citizens when they come in?
Is both.
For the police and the citizens. Awesome. Sir, I'm not here to give you a hard time. I'm trying to educate government employees on how to be respectful and courteous and professional to the citizens. You see, you're a police officer. When anyone asks you for your name and badge number, you have to identify because you're at work. You don't say right here, right there. There you go. You know how to read? You see, you don't do that. Now, could you help me find a public records request form?
In the front. Off of Plant Street is where records at.
Can we agree that you didn't do the proper approach? Can we?
I
Can we?
answer
He
your question.
provided you with his name.
I know, but it wasn't professional and
Well,
or
you-
courteous.
You coming up here and demanding our name and badge number when we have done nothing but.
Well, you guys go around asking people for IDs for a living all day long.
Right.
So what's the problem? What's the problem when somebody asks
We
you?
have lawful authority when we ask for that.
Well, I'll tell you something. We have lawful authority to ask you guys for it, and you guys don't have lawful
he
authority to
provided
ask me
So
for
you're
it.
looking for a
Yeah,
form
we
that's
never
in the
asked you
front.
for. We never asked you for your name.
No,
Anything
I
else?
asked for you guys.
Anything else so I can help you with?
I'm aware.
Sure. How long you been a police officer?
Long enough.
It is also.
To know that you have to be courteous and professional to the citizens. How many people, how many bad cops have you ever arrested, sir? Have you ever arrested a bad cop? Let's start there.
We don't have bad cops in Winter Garden. We get rid of all of them.
Awesome. Awesome. I appreciate that. Please don't ever arrest anyone for video recording the police. You see, we're trying to bring awareness on freedom of the press. We have a lot of police officers throughout the country saying, well, you're not the press. Where's your credentials?
Us and you're allowed to ask us for our name and badge number, which you provided.
Awesome.
And we know that we don't have to we don't have to ask for your name.
Unless I'm being suspected of a crime, correct?
Exactly.
Awesome. Awesome. So this is the main entrance?
Nope.
It's in the
Off
front.
of Plant Street.
Keep going down to Plant, take a left.
All right,
And I'll
guys.
be in there.
Thank you. Take care.